Okay, so Bernie is running, and currently he has like 2.3 million people who have donated to his presidential run. Now, a thought just occurred to me that we could use this. We could use this as a way to have a firm figure on how many people are gonna vote for him. So this is my suggestion. Okay, I personally cannot afford to give a lot of money in donations. Hell, even giving $5 would be a massive chore for me. But I will. I am going to do this. I am going to send $1 to his campaign. Why? Because this way, there is. They can track. They're tracking how many donors he has. So this is. Think of it as kind of putting your vote in for Bernie as a president, as the next president, so that it's outside of polls and outside of all this other crap. So that basically what you're doing is just you send $1, okay, or if you want to send more, but if you send $1 at least, this will kind of sort of like count as your vote for Bernie, all right? And you do this, and the interesting enough, David Dole on the Rational National actually did showed a piece done by I forget by who, but showing the actual numbers of donors currently in a 24-hour period. So if we do this, and if we can keep track of this bar on who is donating, okay, how many people are donating, we can then get a solid figure that we can go outside of polling data and all that other stuff and say, hey, look, Bernie has 10 million people who donated to him, or 20 million people who donated to him, or 30 million, or 40 million, or 50 million. And so this will this way we can we have that, and we can keep track, and so that when the DNC and when the media is pushing all this nonsense, we'll actually have the actual figures of how many people donated, even if it's only $1, and how many people who donated to him, thereby, or basically saying we are going to vote for Bernie, and that will give us a way to basically cut out all the criminal nonsense being perpetrated, and with voter fraud and gerrymandering and all that other stuff. So we can say, hey, look, 100 million people voted for Bernie Sanders. Okay? We can do this, and that's just another way to assure that when the fuckery happens, we have this data. All right? So I'm encouraging everybody to donate at least $1 and get the message out. Donate at least $1, and the reason why we want to donate at least $1, so that we can have solid figures on how many Americans voted for Bernie. All right? Thanks.